Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like this video and follow all our social media handles for more exciting solar installations and energy saving tips. Alright, let's dive in. We just arrived at the client's location where today's solar upgrade will take place. Our team is on site ready to deliver smooth and professional installation. Our team begin by getting dressed and preparing for the tasks ahead, safety check, protective gel and quick rundown of the installation plan, ensuring everything is set for a flawless operation. Now the team is fully ready, the materials are carefully offloaded, each component is handled with precision to ensure nothing is damaged and the installation runs seamlessly from start to finish. Next, our team leader take a moment to walk us through the existing setup. The client was previously running a 5 kW inverter paired with a 7.5 kWh lithium battery. While it serves its purpose, the growing energy demand means it's time for a major upgrade, and that's exactly what we are here to deliver.
That is what is currently powering this building. Things like apartments. So he said he wants an upgrade. He wants something that will last more. He wants more energy. So the current setup has a small protection box. I think one of these breakers is used for input, the output, we have a nice switch. I think that's one. So we'll be doing an upgrade. We'll be having our own full protection box coming right here. Coming right here, our own full protection box. We'll be replacing this in about 26 kilowatts inverter, CWorth. So and then we'll be replacing the battery with 15 kilowatts and 14 volts. CWorth Energy battery. So come along with us, guys. Let's do this.
Now we moved into the first phase of the upgrade, removing the old setup. Our team carefully disconnect and take down the previous 5 kW inverter and the 7.5 kWh battery system. Every step is handled with precision to ensure safety and to prepare a clean energy space for the new, more powerful installation. This upgrade also requires taking out the old panels. Here you can see the existing panels before removal. The system has served the client well, but it's time for a more efficient setup. Now we begin installing the new solar panels. Powerful 615 watt JA solar modules. The team starts by carefully laying out the installation materials on the roof, ensuring a strong and secure foundation for the new array. Once the mounting structure is properly aligned and fixed, they proceed to place each panel onto the roof with precision. Every panel is positioned to maximize sunlight absorption and deliver top-tier performance for the upgrade system. With all the panels now securely mounted, the team completes the electrical connections. Every cable clip and connectors is carefully installed to ensure maximum efficiency and long-term reliability. The entire solar array is now fully in place, solid, aligned, and ready to power the upgraded system. Next, we move indoors for one of the most exciting parts of this upgrade, unboxing the almighty big battery. For this project, we are installing a 15 kWh CWorth Energy lithium battery, a powerful and reliable storage unit built to handle heavy energy demands. Watch as the team carefully unbox the battery, inspecting every component to ensure it is in perfect condition before installation. We carried out the unboxing outside to make handling easier. This 15 kWh CWorth Energy battery is big and powerful, so proper lifting and movement are essential. Now that it has been fully unboxed and inspected, the team carefully moved it into the building and positioned it at the exact installation points, ready for mounting and connections. Now it's time to mount the 6 kW CWorth Energy inverter, the heart of this upgraded solar system. The team securely fixes the inverter in a place, ensuring it's perfectly aligned and safely installed. Following that, all the necessary wiring is completed, connecting the panels, battery, and inverter to create a seamless and fully integrated solar energy system. With all the connections now completed, our team leader takes the stage to give us a detailed walkthrough of the setup. He explains how the solar panels, 15 kWh battery, and 6 kW inverter are integrated, highlighting key connection points and safety measures. This ensures the client understands the system functionality and how each component works together to deliver reliable and efficient energy.
Now for the very first time. So let me put on my battery power. Okay, then yeah, so it's up with 45% battery charge. So let me put on the battery breaker at the back. Okay, can you hear that click? I love that. So now let me put on the solar breaker. Here's now a new protection box. We have the input breaker, we have the input AVS, we have the output AVS, then we have the surge. This is surge for the output of the system. We have this is surge for the input for the solar part. So I'll be putting on the input breaker now for the solar part. So this our piece will come up. Now it's coming up. It's up for the very first time. This is our input here is reading because there is grid currently. Yeah, our client is using a generator. So there is up. Let's look at the information. I think this is cool. So up there now we have 9 pieces of 615J solar panels. 9 pieces. So and the time is like past 4 though the weather. Can you just change the camera to? Yeah, so the weather is, you can see the weather is down. I think it's about to rain, but currently we're having 250. But let's look at the amps. Okay, charging with 1 amp is varying. So that's that. So let me power up the system for the very first time. So yeah, now our system is up. So now can you see now our output AVS is also up. So the next thing I'll just be doing now is do my settings, do my general settings, make sure my inverter communicates with the battery and other settings, and then we power the whole house. So let's go on with that. So I enter, press my enter button down. Yeah, so start with one is charging. USB means utility charges first as priority, solar as second priority, then battery as last priority. But I like using solar as my first priority, so I'll be changing this to solar as my first priority. SBU. sorry, SUV that. So solar my first priority, utility second priority, battery the last priority. So I save it. So I move to the next one. This charging amps maximum. Let's take it to. Let's take it. The system can do maximum of 120. It can do maximum of 120, but let's save it to 100 because of the battery. Since we're having just a single backup of 15 kilowatts. So the next is range of charging. APL means 90 to 280 based on manufacturer, and then then UPS means 140 or 160 there about to 260. So I like making use of my UPS. So the next, I don't think I need this. Okay, this is for if we're having 2 or more systems to be parallel. That is option 4 here. So, but since we're having single system for now, so we leave it for here. So now battery type, I change this to lithium. Since we are using the communication cable, so I'll change it to lithium. So then my output I like using 220. And this charging with solar, let's increase to 50. So we can do 50-50. Let's do 60. We can do 60 to 40 with utility. So I leave this the way they are. This I like. This is load priority. I like using CSO. Yeah, CSO means solar, then utility. So I think that should be all. So then see. So now you can see once it shows this indicator that lithium BMS, it means our battery is now communicating. I can also check the properties. Let's do that. Just to be sure that it's communicating. Battery volt is 52.8. Come, bring the camera down here. So if we check also from here, 52.8 can you see? So we should get exactly the same once communication is established. I wanted to say maybe I can have a battery percentage. Okay, battery percentage is 45%. 45%. Now let's check the battery too also. Let's check the battery. Can you see 45%? So this already certified us that the system is communicating quite good with the battery. And I think we are good to go now. We can load the system to the house. So these are a nice switch here which we use in moving the loads. Currently now is on grid, so I'll be taking it away from grid now, taking it to inverter. Now let's do that. We see that my AVS for my output is reading is 0.0 amps. So once I load it, now I've loaded. Now can you see? So our load now is drawing 3.6 amps of load. So I can also check the same. Let's look at the load percentage here. So we have 10% currently of the load. Let's look at the wattage. It's like we're having load of between the range of 700-800 watt of load. So I think this is cool.
At Aksun Electronics Technologies Limited, we remain committed to delivering premium, reliable and cutting-edge solar solution for every client. If you enjoyed this installation, don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles and subscribe to our channel for more updates, tips and success stories. Power your future with us because your energy independence is our mission.